This is a fruit of labor, but an absolute designer way to have potatoes with okra. It blew my mind out. Once this sizzled, so we boiled this with salt water and oil, very lightly. Then we sliced it and we are pan frying one side to a crispiness, and then wait till you see how we serve this. In a pan, season 1 liter of water with salt and 2 teaspoons of oil. Then add the okra and lightly blanch it. Drain this and cool it. It will make the okra manageable and we can then finish this on the pan very quickly. Let's finely slice 4 cloves of garlic, 1 green chili, and fry them in oil and keep them aside. I already have boiled and diced potatoes in a bowl. We will add the fried garlic and chilies along with some sliced green onion and salt. Let's mash this together till smooth. Let's take the cooled wiped okra and cut it into half-inch cubes and fry in a hot non-stick pan till crispy on one side. Lightly fry the other side and be careful not to overcook the sides because we still want it al dente. We'll take a small bowl and lightly oil the inside and arrange one layer of the salted okra till the rim. This is the effort, but the outcome is spectacular, believe me. We will then gently and firmly place the seasoned potato mash and press it lightly and invert that into a 10-inch platter. And just look what we've got. We've got crispy okra on the outside, seasoned potato inside, and we will finish this with a sauce. Best consumed with an Indian bread, chapati, or steamed rice. So this is my take on aloo bhindi. It's a very traditional, commonly made bhindi okra with potatoes in India, but I did something different.